Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are all okay. Today we'll start with the first lesson of HTML5 series. We'll first start with the very basic about HTML5. What is it and what are the content of HTML? First of all, HTML5 or HTML stands for hypertext markup languages, which means that this language contains of many elements, many tags of markup. These tags are works together to build the HTML. We will have a little bit information about the HTML history, and we will know the other thing which is most important, which is the deep of HTML5. We have here an example of HTML5 which we will learn now. This is a very basic example about HTML5. Here we have the first line. The first line we have the HTML doctype HTML, which means this is an HTML5 file. This tag defines that this file is HTML5, so the HTML5 tags will work in this tag. So we have in the previous versions there was no HTML5 doctype. It was like that. It was only HTML. Go ahead. But now we have doctype HTML means this file is HTML5. Then we have the HTML tag, which means the opening of the HTML coding. Then we have the head of the file, then the body of the file. We could notice that every opening tag has a closed tag. So for example, this body, we have here the closing tag of the body. So the body here contains the content of the website or the page that we are writing about. So here we could write whatever we want to write, even if only just writing like that, it would be print. Then we have here some tags, which is h1, which is the tag of the header. Then we have p, which stands for paragraph, and here is the paragraph. Okay, then how could we do this or how could we print this in the browser? It's basic and it's easily. Only save it and go to the destination that we have saved it, and only double click that file and it will be print. This was the heading that we have talked about, and that was the paragraph, and this is the title of the HTML file. So it's so easy to learn it and to work with it. Also we have we could imagine it like blocks, like rectangles. For example, this one is a rectangle for the body, and that one is the rectangle of the HTML, and this is the head, contains the title and the other elements. HTML is a widespread language. It's used in many fields, and it would support you learn the programming language or the basic of the programming languages, because it explains some basic elements, and we will learn them in the other lessons. So I think it's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.